What if I told you there's one simple leaf that could help manage diabetes, lower bad cholesterol, and even melt away stubborn belly fat, all at once? Sounds like a stretch, right? But hang on, just give me a few minutes. You don't need fancy pills, harsh diets, or complicated treatments to feel better. Sometimes, nature gives us exactly what we need, and we don't even realize it. Today, we're going to talk about one powerful little leaf that's quietly been changing lives. If you're over 60 and feeling worn out from chasing your blood sugar, worried about cholesterol creeping up, or just frustrated with belly fat that refuses to leave, this might be the most important video you watch this week. Because scientists are now finding that this one humble leaf is packed with natural compounds that help speed up your metabolism, protect your heart, fight inflammation, and help your body burn fat, even when you're resting. But here's the best part. That's just one leaf. I'm also going to share several others, ones you might already have in your kitchen or garden, each with powerful benefits for digestion, blood flow, energy, and even cravings. All right, ready to take that first step toward a lighter, healthier you? Let's dive in, because the first leaf on our list might already be hiding in your tea cabinet. Peppermint. Yes, more than just a refreshing flavor. Did you know peppermint can actually help boost your metabolism, even when you're not doing anything? That's right. As we age, it gets harder to burn calories, but peppermint gives your body a little push, naturally. It also works wonders for digestion. It can ease bloating, reduce gas, and help flush out that heavy, puffy feeling around your belly. And get this, studies show it may help keep your blood sugar more stable, cut down sugar spikes, and even ease those afternoon sweet cravings. It's good for your heart too. Peppermint helps lower bad cholesterol, LDL, raise the good kind, HDL, and supports clean, healthy arteries. All that from just 1 cup of peppermint tea a day. Have you tried it before? Let me know your favorite way to enjoy peppermint in the comments. And if you're liking this so far, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's move on to a leaf you've probably never heard of, but it's seriously underrated. It's called Oroponibus. I know, it's a mouthful, but this tiny leaf is packed with plant-based protein and fiber. Why does that matter? Because protein and fiber help keep you full longer, reduce cravings, and keep your blood sugar nice and steady, especially after meals. That's a big deal if you're trying to manage diabetes or those roller coaster sugar crashes that leave you drained. The fiber in this leaf also helps clear out bad cholesterol, keeps digestion regular, and supports overall gut health. In fact, many people say they feel less bloated and more regular after just a few days of adding it to meals. Even better? Oroponibus fights off the silent inflammation in your body, the kind that slows your metabolism and keeps fat clinging to your belly. Have you ever tossed this into soups or stir-fries? I'd love to hear how you use it. Drop a comment below. And don't go anywhere, because the next leaf on our list has been trusted for generations, not just to soothe the body, but to balance blood sugar naturally. Let's talk about sage. This little leaf has been used for centuries, and with good reason. If you're struggling with belly fat, high blood sugar, or rising cholesterol, sage might be just what your body needs. It's known for its anti-inflammatory powers, which is huge, because chronic inflammation is often the hidden culprit behind weight gain, insulin resistance, and even heart problems. Sage also helps your body handle glucose more efficiently, supports better insulin sensitivity, and can keep those dangerous blood sugar spikes in check. And yes, it may even help lower bad cholesterol while raising the good kind, giving your heart a little extra protection. Ever cooked with sage? Or sipped on sage tea? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your favorites. Now up next, we've got a sacred leaf, one that's been called the queen of herbs. It's known for melting belly fat and gently cleansing the body from the inside out. Holy basil. Now, don't confuse this with the regular basil you toss into your pasta. This is something special. For generations, holy basil has been used for healing, especially when it comes to blood sugar and cholesterol. It helps keep blood sugar balanced, prevents those sharp spikes that make you crash, and reduces fatigue. It also works deep down, calming inflammation, which plays a huge role in belly fat, insulin issues, and heart health. Holy basil helps clear bad cholesterol, boosts circulation, and acts like a natural detox, flushing out excess water and toxins that make you feel heavy and sluggish. Ever tried holy basil tea? Or added it to your cooking? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what it's done for you. And coming up next, a pizza herb with some seriously surprising benefits for your blood sugar and your waistline. Now, you might think of oregano as just that herb you sprinkle on pizza, but it's so much more than a flavor booster. Turns out, oregano is one of the most underrated metabolism-supporting herbs out there. It's loaded with powerful antioxidants that help calm inflammation and protect your cells, especially the kind of damage that can lead to diabetes, cholesterol issues, and stubborn belly fat. What makes oregano even more impressive is how it improves insulin sensitivity. That means your body handles sugar more efficiently, keeping those dangerous spikes at bay, and giving you more steady energy and fewer cravings in the process. And when it comes to heart health, oregano does a whole lot of good. It lowers the bad cholesterol, LDL, while helping raise the good HDL. It even helps keep your arteries clean and your heart protected. Do you ever sprinkle a little oregano on soups or salads? Drop a comment and let me know your favorite way to use it. Now up next is a simple little leaf you probably already have in your fridge, but it might just be one of nature's best-kept secrets for belly fat, heart health, and kidney support. Parsley. Yep, it looks like just a garnish on your plate, but this humble herb is actually one of nature's most effective natural diuretics. It helps your body flush out excess water, sodium, and toxins. That's a big deal if you often feel bloated, puffy, or weighed down, especially around your middle. Parsley helps ease that pressure, not just on your belly, but also on your kidneys and heart. It also plays a role in blood sugar control by improving how your body reacts to insulin. That means more balanced energy, fewer spikes, and better overall stability throughout your day. And it doesn't stop there. Parsley helps lower bad cholesterol, calms inflammation, and even supports liver function. Plus, it's packed with nutrients, like vitamins A, C, and K, and minerals like potassium and iron. Do you toss parsley into your meals, smoothies, or juices? I'd love to hear how you enjoy it. Share in the comments below. Now let's talk about a leaf that does more than just calm your nerves. It helps your body in ways you probably never expected. Lemon balm. You might recognize it by its gentle, relaxing scent, but lemon balm offers powerful health benefits that go way beyond stress relief. This leaf can help lower your blood sugar naturally by improving insulin function, making it a great herbal ally for managing or even preventing diabetes. It also tackles chronic inflammation, which, as you probably know, is a hidden root cause of belly fat, cholesterol problems, and even heart disease. And if stress tends to throw your body off balance, lemon balm might be exactly what you need. It helps reduce levels of cortisol, the stress hormone linked to fat storage, especially around the belly. On top of that, lemon balm supports healthy blood pressure, better circulation, and a smoother digestive process. Ever tried lemon balm tea to wind down at night? Let me know. I'd love to hear how it works for you. Now, speaking of calming herbs with a fresh kick, let's talk about one you've probably already tasted. Mint. That cool, refreshing taste is more than just pleasant. It's packed with benefits for your digestion, blood sugar, and yes, even belly fat. Mint helps soothe your digestive system, reduce gas and bloating, and improves how your body processes food, which means better fat breakdown and less discomfort after meals. It's also a gentle diuretic, helping your body release excess fluids and sodium. That's especially helpful if you often feel puffy or swollen around your midsection. Even better, mint supports blood sugar balance by boosting insulin sensitivity. That means fewer sugar spikes and a more stable energy level. And thanks to its antioxidants, mint also supports healthy cholesterol levels and overall heart function. Do you like adding mint to your water, salads, or smoothies? Share your favorite way to enjoy it in the comments. I'd love to know. Now up next is a leaf most of us have in the kitchen already, but it packs a healing punch most people don't even realize. Basil. Beyond its incredible flavor, basil is loaded with natural healing compounds that help regulate blood sugar. It makes your cells more responsive to insulin, which leads to fewer sugar crashes and more stable energy throughout the day. It also tackles inflammation head-on, which, as we've mentioned, plays a huge role in weight gain, cholesterol imbalances, and even heart conditions. Basil helps balance your cholesterol too, lowering the bad LDL and raising the good HDL, keeping your arteries clean and your heart strong. And here's something interesting. Basil can even help with stress by regulating cortisol levels, which makes it easier to control weight, mood, and cravings. Do you use basil fresh in cooking or brew it as a tea? I'd love to know how it's part of your routine. Tell me in the comments. And now, coming up next, a common backyard weed with some serious detox powers. You've probably seen dandelion growing in your yard or in sidewalk cracks, but don't let its humble look fool you. This little leaf is one of nature's most powerful detoxifiers. Dandelion works deep in the body, especially in your liver. And that matters, because your liver is what handles fat, sugar, and toxins every single day. When your liver is healthier, your metabolism runs smoother, and it becomes easier to shed stubborn belly fat. And here's the bonus. Dandelion is also a natural diuretic. That means it helps flush out extra fluid and sodium, so you feel lighter, less bloated, and less weighed down. It also helps regulate blood sugar by improving how your body reacts to insulin, and even lowers bad cholesterol, keeping your arteries clearer and your heart safer. Plus, it calms inflammation in your gut and blood vessels, which is a quiet but dangerous driver of many age-related health issues. Ever tried dandelion tea? Or maybe added the greens to a salad? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how you enjoy it. Now, let's move on to a wonderfully fragrant herb that does way more than just smell good in the kitchen. Rosemary. You might already use it to season meats or soups, but rosemary has been quietly working overtime in your body without you even knowing. First off, it boosts insulin sensitivity. That means your body can handle sugar more efficiently, reducing fat storage, especially the kind that settles around your belly. Rosemary also helps lower bad cholesterol, LDL, improves circulation, and keeps your arteries cleaner. That's a huge win for heart health. But here's what really makes it special. Rosemary boosts mitochondrial activity, your cell's natural energy engines. And when those are running better, your body starts burning fat faster. It's also anti-inflammatory and mildly diuretic, helping flush toxins and reduce swelling. Do you use rosemary in cooking or make it as tea? Let me know how it's part of your routine. Now here comes a surprise. You've probably enjoyed the creamy flesh of an avocado, but did you know the leaves are just as powerful? Avocado leaves are an incredible tool when it comes to managing blood sugar, cutting belly fat, and improving liver health. They're extremely anti-inflammatory, helping calm your body and protect your heart, liver, and kidneys all at once. These leaves also enhance how your body uses insulin, so less sugar gets stored as fat, and you maintain more steady energy. Even more impressive, they help break down liver fat, which is often silent but dangerous, especially as we get older. And like the other powerhouse herbs, avocado leaves lower bad cholesterol and raise the good, HDL, supporting better circulation and heart health. Plus, they're a natural diuretic, helping reduce swelling and clear out toxins. Have you ever tried avocado leaf tea? Would you give it a shot? I'd love to hear what you think. Now up next, a sweet-scented leaf you've probably never thought of as a health booster, but it's loaded with benefits. Mango leaves. Most people enjoy the fruit and toss the rest, but the leaf? It's a hidden gem, especially when it comes to blood sugar and stubborn belly fat. Mango leaves are packed with antioxidants that help balance insulin levels, preventing those sugar highs and crashes that leave you tired and hungry. They also help lower bad cholesterol and protect your arteries from plaque buildup, keeping your heart running strong. Even better, they activate enzymes that help your body use stored fat as energy, which means they don't just sit in your belly anymore. And thanks to their gentle detox and anti-inflammatory powers, they quietly support your overall metabolism and well-being. Have you ever used mango leaves in tea? If so, let me know how it worked for you. Now, let's talk about a leaf that's probably in your kitchen already. Bay leaf. It's famous for flavor, but it's quietly working behind the scenes to support digestion, heart health, and balance blood sugar. Bay leaves stimulate digestive enzymes, helping your body break down food more efficiently. That means less fat buildup and less bloating after meals. They also help improve insulin sensitivity, a key factor in managing or preventing diabetes. And when it comes to cholesterol, bay leaves shine again, lowering LDL, protecting your arteries, and supporting strong circulation. Plus, with a light diuretic effect, they help flush excess fluid and reduce swelling, especially that bloated feeling around your midsection. Do you cook with whole bay leaves? I'd love to hear your favorite way to use them. Now, coming up is one of the most overlooked but powerful leaves out there. Mulberry leaf. This leaf is a complete package for your metabolism, especially if you're watching your blood sugar or cholesterol. Mulberry helps stabilize blood sugar by improving insulin response, cutting back on those sugar spikes that lead to weight gain and energy crashes. It also supports circulation by strengthening blood vessels, lowering bad cholesterol, and boosting the good HDL, all of which helps protect your heart. And if belly fat is a concern, mulberry leaf might be your new best friend. It helps burn stored fat and fights inflammation that slows your metabolism down. You can enjoy it as tea or in supplement form. It's simple, safe, and incredibly effective. Have you tried mulberry leaf tea? Let me know in the comments. And now, it's time to reveal the most powerful leaf of them all. If you're looking for natural support for diabetes, cholesterol, and stubborn belly fat, this one is the real game changer. Olive leaf. It contains a potent compound called oleuropein, which helps balance blood sugar, improves insulin sensitivity, and prevents sugar spikes that lead to fat storage, especially in the belly area. But that's just the beginning. Olive leaves also lower bad cholesterol, raise the good kind, and protect your arteries from buildup, dramatically lowering your risk of heart attack and stroke. Even more impressive, they help activate fat-burning enzymes and reduce fat buildup in the liver. That makes olive leaf one of the best natural tools for full-body metabolic support. Do you already drink olive leaf tea or take it as a supplement? I'd love to hear your experience. And remember, sometimes the simplest gifts from nature make the biggest difference. So, there you have it. Some of the most powerful healing leaves you can use, starting today, from peppermint to olive leaf. Each one brings something special to the table. Whether it's helping your body manage blood sugar, lower cholesterol, ease inflammation, or finally drop that stubborn belly fat. And the best part? Most of these herbs are easy to find, gentle on your system, and affordable. No pills, no harsh treatments. Sometimes, it's just a soothing cup of tea or a sprinkle of flavor on your dinner plate. If any of these leaves are already part of your daily habits, let me know in the comments. Or if you're inspired to try something new, share your journey. Your story might help someone else watching right now. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to 60plus. We're here every week with simple, science-backed tips to help you feel lighter, stronger, and more in control of your health. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.